To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Public report, yeah. It's another one for the people. I mean, you tell us, say, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice, baby. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude?
One. I was messed up. I was messed up. I must be dead jumped up. I know over yourself. I was your
Crazy, crazy. What? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice, baby. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude? Anything what you say still, but me I choose what me choose.
one.
What you mean, something to go on? Hey, me can't take a problem, you know. Yeah.
Yo! Get up, man. What are the bongo wrong? Oi! Give me this. Take it off. And it's a really coming out with. What on there? Me never see this apart. Me say last night you're drunk. And sneak come in the house with that there. No, you know, say in a real life, no. Take it off. Take it off. You're too hot. I shame and disgrace and bring up on me. Take it off. Give me. Give me it.
One to you.
You know what I say? Me sorry say me there with you.
What me say sorry say
Me sorry say me there with you. Because you not please me now way where you're supposed to please me now. Eh? What you do with this a color upon you?
What do you mean what color upon?
You sick? Man, me tell you say look sitting there when they show me make a take you off, you know.
Jeez, I'm picking.
You sick?
Pinky, yo, relax, the man. Yo. Me understand why is it that when you come on to them a time, you just get mad, you just get sick in your head. Eh? Nothing. I'll ruthless me again, I want you dash it fling it upon me. Want you? You have to stop certain things, man.
You know, say your crosses.
What do you mean say me a
And
cross?
your pestilence. Listen to me now.
Back.
It look like say I beg yourself to there with me. I beg you there with me. Cause it don't look like we don't have a relationship, you know. Me can't just chat and go down so.
Listen to me. Not because you said that color and me said that color there. You can't make it sound like say me no love you. And because that color me no love you. Come on, no man.
No, listen to me.
You just relax.
Crosses.
Stop coming crosses.
It not go work between me and you, no crosses.
Stop coming crosses.
Crosses not go work, you know.
Stop coming
Crosses
crosses.
not go work, you know. Crosses not go work. And me don't take my get up like you can. Me take a same shoes and knock you out with it.
Which take the same shoe and knock you out. Hey, stop coming crosses. Me tell you say me like them named card. You don't like me call a dirty girl. And you come talk about crosses.
Oh, you have to joke in this.
I feel it's joke thing.
If me and the dirty girl would pick me up. But yes, me I really want dirty girl to choke. I'm gonna pick up something like you.
That's crying, man.
Me I really want dirty girl. Cause what is this me pick up?
What means what is
What
this?
is this? Eh?
No, so.
No, look for you. Look at the right side. Look for you.
It means it look for me. Pink, yo, Pinky,
You
stop.
like a writing?
Alright. What am I gear so make you feel like say? It color make a difference. Eh? What am I gear so?
Hello?
Eh?
When me I get my little dividends?
Me not want none. Take it and do what
When
you
I
do.
get my little dividends? You know. But look for me. No, I look good. Eh?
It's not about look good.
Then I give you nothing that see you look so.
How look? So me look.
If me don't make you look good, you can't look good none time. So no come talk to me about what them a give me here.
Right, up in their mind, so.
Crosses.
Listen.
And this are really coming.
Mr. Stop call me crosses. Stop call me crosses.
Me a woman in the yard.
Yeah.
So me run things. You understand? So me not understand how you carry.
What do you mean say run things? Listen, it is you know supposed to be a problem. For me I live in the same roof and you be that the color there and maybe this a color. Hey, stop me, relax.
No, alright, listen, watch out. No rest for the wicked. I mean, I make sure so they spread out like this. No rest for you.
What do you mean say no rest for me? What?
You could be out that.
Watch it.
No rest for you. Get rid of the green curtain and come chat to me. Can I come like see you sick in your head?
Ah, yeah, man, go down. You only got virgin bulb running over this. I'm so far. See? Cause something come like a deer. Yo. Nah, man.
Yeah, man, me mad now. Me mad.
I'm mad now. I'm mad. You act mad now.
Yeah, me mad.
Me never say mad, but you act mad.
Yes. And I act me a act man. Me answer on mine. Come out and go on.
You know something like you.
Damn crosses.
Alright, so at the time of the month and the year, eh? Because they go give you little money so you feel like say. You have power now to come here and come mash up your household. We in here so and we live good. And
Which household? Anything holy leak. Go on where they go. Go on. Anything holy ever leak. Go on. Like say you must be holy. Go on. Go on. Rubbish.
That's what I'm telling you where holy and leak.
Oi. You get where here? You get where? Because you come back in with it. Classy. I said, I don't like you more. Come back in here. Rubbish.
Sometimes I have to wonder still sometimes.
Say what happened?
Brother, yo, my friend, I don't know if I try to reach it early this morning or what, but you man just get on me top of my brain that, yo.
Yeah.
Brother, I'm saying long a bit and I have to remember say with Kirsch for me. Because I remember say last time when we are filed, you tell say, you know what I mean? Make out just hold a cover. You know what I mean? Because I breathe in a blow. Cool!
Yeah.
Brother, I have on the kerchief and I have to realize the kerchief is green. See the woman now going to make a scene. And
The
excitement this morning.
So, can't tell your neighbor they just a listen to business.
Brother, I feel like an idiot that me I tell you.
But right now, me think you're an idiot because two
Brother.
girl deal with them more while you have to wonder sometime you're not left yet. But
Brother, yo.
you must know still, you know.
And no matter say I must know situation, but based on the fact say, anytime you come on to them election time, brother, and only thing that she get is a little, maybe 3,000 and I promise her if you drop one little mile around this and rate it.
3,000.
Yeah.
That no money.
And no money that, and she got along like say, boy, relationship is at stake, bro.
Boy, yeah, some people are serious about them color still, you know, me
And
G.
that-
That's why I not to follow up them something there, you know.
But I realize few things,
Yeah,
bro.
man, me colorless, man. I know, tell the truth. Can't believe, say. I really so. Mama deal with them, my youth. Swear. Right now, if I'm in one shame, that's why you see my woman now. You see, she can't spend 1 week with me, she have to go. Cause what? Can't manage the excitement. Then say live with me and see me at two different something, you know, man. Cause watch out, man. Me live with her, you know, but I've just 4 to 5 days.
Yo, let me
Yeah,
tell you
man.
something, few things set different, you know. Because we don't know the reason why, you know. Because you have multiple women. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You mean?
sure.
And you're the man where, you know what I mean? I'm going to say, you teach me how to really do certain things. Because it needs a one burner from morning. So it's sometimes, most time what happens now is that when I feel like I can't do it, I just say, yo, I can't do it because I can't fulfill certain things. But anyway, bro, yo, I tell you right now, I'm not about the woman, brother. I talk about the fact that the woman has to stress certain things about this color business, brother. Can't believe,
I
bro.
know that way, my friend. I know you feel that way. If you say, sleep, you sleep, and the woman.
Yo, you wait, my brother.
One elbow for me and you.
Brother, yo.
Watch out now.
You
You have to do it in a groove.
Yo, look at this. Yeah, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I stopped you, man. Stop me last time, brother. Me that.
Yeah.
Stop you, man. Stop me, brother. But it's like, me not say,
No,
you know,
sir.
me not say me
No.
brother. Me not say me weak or irritating, but sometimes you me just can't, brother G. Me tell you.
Jack,
Can't, brother, right now.
Boy, as they attack, when I time them, me call up one of me. Look how Philly them round the street. So she come give me a link when done. So I asked her, I say me there go and be yourself. Achana man. Your story too hot for me still, you know. Me can't manage she and meds for your story right now, you know, cause me a whole heap of things for my brain to right now, you know, my friend.
Realize.
Yeah man, as we say, multiple women right now I drop some of them, my friend, cause some of them to a crosses to me friend. Yeah man.
Alright,
See it as me say it, a Korean drop.
But what me I say still, see, remember the money where you say, when you gave $5,000 last night, and you say you go buy one thing outside, and you say in a shop then couldn't change the money, right? And I say, you still have money for you can give back the change?
You say they don't have me yard.
Don't get yard?
But me now, I don't necessarily
Nah,
have
me
to
don't
tell
know.
a girl, me I wait for my friend. Probably, nah lie, probably me borrow one 2,000 what the girl that call link me.
Call link you.
Just go and give her.
No problem, man. Yo, me a friend
Me
now.
laugh my youth a while ago,
Cool, man.
to you just, me don't even remember about you, you know, because me take off my pants, you know, me just throw you one place, you know, and drop asleep, so, you know.
I understand.
You remember about your
Everything
friend.
good. Me a friend in real life, brother. So, me not really worry myself like say rope straps. But like I really, I move forward.
No, so me looking for, because me want to look for vibes around there, you know, so me look.
Brother, as me I say, bro,
Yo,
yo,
you say we are there, circle the road, look more.
I circle the road, brother. Cause yo, if you see me one pass the road,
Me beard already, you know, me nah go, you know.
Nah go.
And tomorrow morning again, you know.
Alright, don't worry yourself,
Yes, man, tomorrow morning again.
Alright, do it, man, do it. But I'm not take my time going.
What you say, look more? Are you not sure?
Me I talk to her and see what she
Yeah,
deal with
talk
first.
to
Yeah,
her.
when I hear what she deal with, then me know exactly.
Something wrong with the future, you know. my
Brother,
friend.
don't worry yourself, man. Yo,
Are you, cause all of what they happen to you, they happen now, you know. You know though.
like how?
Because they just...
No, brother, it's
Yeah,
just
but
no
actually,
more
man,
talk for good, bro. That's the type problem.
Still. Me
You
like
just
how
want
you
to
deal
have alright,
Yeah,
bro.
man, watch out, man. Me like how you deal with the thing. A ladies, gentleman, you are.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Continue.
I saw me grow up, man, that's the type problem. But here I know. Me not say, like based on circumstances, me can't change. But, brother, you just can't take certain guy. Right now, the only problem I have is just the color thing what she has stressed about that. You understand? You can't,
Right. Don't tell me say anytime she ready in an argument again. Just tell her, say, go out the door and look outside.
Be a green, brother. Me I tell you, so you see, if me hear that thing right now, you know, say I agree, me not really say rope straps to. And them are anything, bro. Them are anything.
Watch out.
Me look how much years.
Watch out. Greenery all around.
Brother, me say right now, that me I say right now, but everything good still. But yo, what say? So if you ever voted?
No, my friend. Nah, me tell you say me colorless, my friend. Me not try no voting right now because I can frequently do what me want and go where me want to go. Cause right now, man a pre-man kill man in a color, you know. So I'm young, me see that happen. So right now, I can't manage that, my friend.
Alright. Yo, we link up. Respect our man.
So,
Yeah,
yeah, man, we there, man.
yeah, sure, boy. See?
Yeah, man.
So we talk. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
You fix the senses them. Cause me not understand it, you know. Me not understand you. Imagine. You really come and go ask me fix what I'm for you. Me not tell you me not cook for you. Eh? You deaf? Me say, watch out. Yeah, be a orange to my system. Watch out. Orange can. How you come from? Don't look for me, say, you know. Don't look for me, so.
You know, so you make people want them to eat at that place because people are here, you are cussing and going and I talk about this party thing and this orange and this color business. You have to take this thing too far.
Watch out. Somebody have been me by them too because. True.
What?
Somebody beg me to buy them after them.
Babe, me hungry. Me hungry. Pinky, me hungry, your man hungry. And because of this is sitting up on your head, you really want... I can't believe it really come down to this already.
You know what I say? Who beg now get, who not beg no one?
I don't beg me, I beg you.
Who beg a junk crew, who not beg a dog?
Who buy them?
Right, what?
Who buy them?
Remember who buy them?
Who buy them put in the house?
You're lucky. Whether you buy them or not, me nah make no me give you. So go back out there go make one of your friends that we are telling you. Take off for you. Come like this. Come like this. Who I want to display. Come like this. Lip chip. Your lip chip. Eh? You're like crazy. Eh? Come like this. Somebody that no sense. If you think so you're bad.
Do what?
If you think so you're bad.
Do what?
This time me say me not burn you up with this. You're mad. Hey, don't ramp with me now. Oh.
Everything good, man. You see what's sweet you? I go sour you. Radam.
I see me go sour you, radam. Rubbish.
Can't believe this not come down to today.
You're lucky. You're lucky.
Alright, so what you gonna do if...
See your mouth a drain for me juice, you not get none of that.
So what you gonna do if this a color people them lose, eh? What you gonna do? Run come ball to me? No come ball to me, you know?
I rebuke your dirty mouth.
No come ball to me and say, and me salt you up like the last time, you know? Cause that you say last time. And me have to hush you like say me a... Hey, I wonder if me an idiot. I wonder if me a real idiot to beef ball. Eh? Yeah man, Bill, so true.
You know what I say? You know what I say? You come like one big dirty joke. Me just can't stop laughing off of you. You know see?
Me not true.
Yeah.
You go tap soon, man. Wait, man.
Watch out. Crosses, man. Crosses. Make part of my soup that shit. Me say me not top color crosses. Cool it. Watch out.
I tell you for find crosses.
Watch out. Look there. Cool it. Crosses, man.
No, sir, me
You
can't.
know where you come from? Where you sell your shoes eh?
Where you do my shoes them?
Me don't want them in here. Me don't want the color them in here. Me don't chat. Rubbish.
Pinky. You sound like I want mad somebody.
You never know.
Eh? Alright, look at it now. Look at it now. If me were to say politics, I'm going to speak politics now. See? You don't see progress what go on in that country. You don't see everything up. You don't want to follow what go on technology. Hey, me I talk to you. When you go some places.
Go on chat.
Go on chat.
Go on chat.
When you go some places. Where do?
Go on chat.
What you do my shoes them? Don't like my shoes. Pinky, do not put fire to my shoes. So what me go wear? Jesus Christ, a girl come like say you want to me now. What you doing? Jesus and pity mouse. Pinky, me no depend on certain things. Me a call you, hey, me a call you dirty auntie. Me a call you dirty.
Go on chat, I said me not insecure mode. Go on chat.
Me a call you auntie and say something have to go on. You have to go on either Bellevue. Watch him put the right hand say in orange.
No, go on chat.
When he claim say.
Go on chat.
Me go on chat.
Go on chat, I see. Go on chat, I see.
If you tape you and make you look on yourself and listen to yourself, how you sound dunce. Let's talk politics, me say already. Everywhere you go now, you can say why you have Wi-Fi service. You see if a bus them come down in that town. No, the town pretty and clean, nobody no feel. Hey, I want you to see the place Jamaica is now, close to America. Look on it now. When people are driving a car, they have to buck up their seat and put them in a back seat with seat belt. They must say that go on. Because people feel, no like principle. You just feel loose. Dirty style. Eh?
Man, I got even a busy come. I could have really get this mad man in a clean clothes.
Madman in clean clothes.
Me sorry, send me there with you.
You have so much years the other color run things. And you still run behind time.
Alright,
what
are you talking about? Okay, everything what you have to go back to you next year.
Go back to you next year. Dunce people. Alright, guess what I'm going to ask if you say?
Don't like your poop.
And if you say this now, you go determine if you're smart or not. Eh? Because only dunce people can sell linoleum. Sell linoleum. Selling all the out your mouth. Say it.
Let you me know.
Yes, me know. See?
Lucky.
Me lucky.
Me said, oh, me can say that Jamaica this.
Jamaica
As Jamaica this. Try to chat as always.
Chat as always. Yeah. Everything good. Everything good.
Me lucky.
Another. Yeah, man. I say fine who done so smart.
Lucky.
Lelo. Oh. Everything good, man. But I mean, I tell you, I don't know walk up. And then right after the election done and everything settled, and you're gonna lose. Don't cry to me. You hear me say?
But to God, that I got me to go back.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I got it.
Everything good, man. I'm done something everything. Yeah? Yeah, man.
The last time, I the color they buy me fan. I know you mash up and feel color can buy me fan in it. She say he take kill me. You know, say I walk this touch him like, hey, let me tell you something, you know.
What? So why not like for work?
Listen to me.
Why not like for work for your things?
Listen to me, remember me now work. Your soul starts see me with my paper and my pen and walk around.
I do what? I
Where me buy?
And when the money done, what happen next? When the money done, what happen next? Answer my question. Miss Lover of this color. Rubbish. That is what you are today. I can't believe me back the same word upon you. Rubbish. Nonsense. Eh? You coming like a caterpillar when I go nowhere.
You come like I don't want class today, you know. I don't want class, you know.
I'm cool off. I go in the kitchen, go fix myself something. Everything good.
You come like a lunatic where you walk out the oil, just walk with the L. Hey, I start with it now, I this say no boy. You play with me now.
You can't diss me. You know that?
You come like a lunatic, you only walk out with the L, I this you. Oh.
Everything good, man. You know, man, when I go trace with you, because I tell you the facts.
No, like I'm the man and you are the woman.
Truth hurts, you know. Who can take it off his blood, yeah? Truth hurts. You go and suck up your thing, yeah?
Listen to me now, listen to me. Actually, you're hungry, make you go and so. Yeah. Hungry, I kill you. Right. See that white scale up on your mouth corner, you're hungry. And me make you hungry, go ahead. Allow me alone. I don't know what I sleep today at night, I know. I say, hello! Me I talk to you.
Something come like you really get. Everything good. You go through a phase, a monkey phase you go through. That I think.
How you go through? A gorilla phase.
Everything good.
You don't see monkey that you feel right.
Yeah, but I would give him. Yo, give me this. Give me this backside. What my shoes? Do you really like my shoes? Don't think of that.
Long day I saw you from you. But I realize you like you go somewhere, where you go? Let me hear laugh.
Are you me a calling? What you mean where me a go?
Oh, you're nice up on something, I don't know.
Oh, so you did want me wear bush clothes come look for you?
God, me never said that either. Oh. Give me a hug. And then now, you know. Why?
So you're not going to out that?
That's what I forgot to say. Sorry, my manners.
That good still, so.
Sorry, my manners.
But why we have to link up here so though?
Because, you know, if you tell the truth, though, I choose me leave on the road already and I want to go around in my yard and walk, come back, we out to again for me. You know, they hear them just say, I do just do one thing and done.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, it makes sense just do one thing and then kind of makes sense more go way around so and walk come way back up here so.
But last night, where did the last night?
Boy, you don't know. I feel laugh. You know why I laugh? Because I don't think you're going to believe me.
Bobby, you promised me. So you come to church last night.
You don't know.
You promised me.
You don't know. Say I beard. No, go in, say me I go beard and come out back and press on everything. You don't know, say. Me go drop asleep. Yeah.
Yeah, your statement we make a while ago?
What that?
You say, you go in your beard, you go back out, and then you press, and then you drop asleep.
No, me never say me go back out.
Yeah.
Say.
You did want me for record you? Because you say you go back out. That means you go on the
No, me never
road.
go back
You never
out.
have no intention to come to church
No,
last
for
night.
true, me did go in, take a bed, press, and me did say me a wait upon time for run up for the uncle link you. And me go lock me eye there. Me didn't even know when me lock me eye there. Me just drop asleep so.
You want to take this thing serious? If you want to take this thing
What you
serious,
talk? No,
no,
what you
if
mean
you
by
want
that?
a serious relationship with me, you have to come to church. God have to involve in this. Or else you not go work
So where you
out.
go now?
What you mean when me I go?
Church?
Me not go to church. What you
Oh.
me come look for? What?
Me no say nothing. So me I wonder how you just green out so.
Great. Me just, you know, say them me sip on the top of and this me sip on it in the top of my jaw. And me just draw on this and me just take up my green bag. Nothing in it. What?
I say nothing. Me no say you see green beautiful. Look at the grass. Look at the beautiful grasses
Exactly.
and flowers is.
Exactly.
Yeah man
So,
and fruits is.
but wait. I want to just ask me about green so. I want you in a party thing too. Eh?
What's that? The colorless.
Anyway, green is just a color.
Mm.
And the other color is just a color. So any color me feel like to wear, me go wear. Me not in a them the type of things that me a Christian maybe. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So if me feel like me want go down the road, go support somebody, and if me see it clothes in any color, that the color them me go buy. It not really matter to me. You understand? So no make this fool like at this me feel like to wear today.
You look good, see me and my baby. Come on.
Come on way.
We are good down.
Baby. You not tell me say you want to stop some more. And you still have some more. If you not stop,
Alright, watch out. See them, I rub you out. See there. You see it?
after you done most of it,
But I chew me the ass I wait for you how long me have to have company to you know. Come on.
I don't know what kind of company that.
Woman! You know, like, oh, you just sit down so you know, like, you know, have nothing to do.
What you mean? No work me there.
Eh? Bar can pay you.
It'll pay me though.
You come to ask, so. Friend to friend. Me and friend on time, not true.
What you really want to ask me now?
You know, vote.
Baby? Do you see the color I am in? I don't know, really see. Me in a red, purple, blue, yellow, or what else? I saw the color. Me in a need a green or orange, and none of them with the power shirt. Need a me tights.
So
Them not benefit me, you know. Cause all of me vote, I said thing will happen. The party them are the same thing. None of them are different.
Hey, man, I can't talk about my party. Mine, oh, you
If you can say the same party,
Listen to me, man, I talk about you know. Mine, because if you ever make a mistake and say something bad about my party, me have it all right as so. Hey, me tell you.
and you walk with me now go. And I tell you why me now go. What is the issue? I am not voting. Because they not help me out. Right now I host me one for the hill. Right now the don't. I'll leave me vote. That now comes.
Why they palm pending? That's why all it takes is to just vote. Vote. V-O-T-E, vote.
Ink up to me hand. No, me alright.
No, I don't really depend on you, depend on. Because you are going. As soon as I see me paper, my pen, and I go on and look for vote. Where say everybody want to vote. So, you are not going to waste my time, no. I mean, I tell you, say, you need to vote. Yes, no, that's not a deal, yeah. Eh?
And then good up time.
Eh? piece of house you have, you look a piece of bowl house you have, you know Solitex soap.
No,
No.
My board was well comfortable, well alright. It all have a king. What you mean?
I'm on the top 10
My-
line. I'm on the top 10
You
line.
want me to carry me alright now?
Me, you know, so that the house you drop through. I'm on
Want me to carry me alright
You
now?
wicked and right.
Say you want me to carry me on.
You see, on the Easter, they will come up and something. And then the time the people they carry bun and cheese come and give you.
Me look hungry? You said me look hungry.
You know
Me look
what?
hungry?
You're
I'm
really,
not
you know,
hungry.
see, you're really nothing vote because you're back off the food. Don't and it's alright. You see, me, they tell us you're hungry. We say.
Where I tell you about bun and cheese?
Easter, they come up.
Already.
They carry bun and cheese, come give you, and they carry little dividends, come give you, put in your pocket. But you know, you see, through your dance and me, your friend, me don't want people pass and hear me and tell about this and make me like a bigger dance. You know what? See you back. It's alright. It's alright. You see it?
I two guns in there.
Make a hurry up and go on. You see? You see, you always say me done this and you.
I thought them going to say if you two because we are friends. I want to marry me.
Soon, man. Soon.
So I get on the head and just ask a song.
No, me can't turn my head. I just say, after them they look pan still. I know me they count them.
We are count Aki for.
I mean, no,
me
no,
you
me-
talk yes and you talk about you count Aki. But we come
Yeah.
like you not take this thing
No, me
serious.
never say me not take it serious. Why me say me wanna take it serious? Show me turn my head.
Yes.
Soon, man. I go get married soon, man. Soon. Believe in Bulby.
Me can't continue to do this, and you not come to church and you don't want to get married to me.
Church. You come to church, man. Know yourself, man. Next week you go see me.
Next week.
Mm-hmm.
So why not this week?
No, man. This week me have my funeral I go.
It's about
Yeah,
and
man.
when next week come, why excuse you going to give me for next week?
Boy, I don't know about me. I tell you the truth. Me I come to church the day there. Next week. I wish day again. Sunday.
Yes, Sunday.
I put it down on my calendar.
So you have a calendar, you work with a calendar?
Because me no want to forget, sir. You know, say morning, every morning, you might know say one little event to come up. You put it down on it so that you don't forget.
But me always tell her the day before.
Alright, just... No, you don't have to remind me, man. Me go remember.
Oh, so I'm not supposed to remind her.
Because me got my calendar and me put it down on my phone too, so that...
Promise me. So you'll come at church next week, Sunday.
Promise.
Mm. Promise?
Vietnam.
Hello?
My mother always tell me, say still a promise that comfort to a fool. So it don't make sense you put up a promise finger because I don't want to take it for fool, you know. But me a come
That
up-
means so you're not
No.
going to come.
Yeah.
No, you're not going to come
Me
because...
say me a foul, and me
tell
and my
her to-
brethren a forward at church. Me a carry my brethren with me too.
Which
Yeah man, me a
Which
foul.
brethren?
Yeah man, me and my brethren a forward at church. Me and
So
my
you
brethren-
have to go to church with... You have to come at church with
Remember
your
saying,
brethren?
Yeah man. Be things are going right now and my brethren, you see true, my brethren are calling link me frequently right now and me and him have some work to go deal with. And you know, say, from me tell him say like a long time he say he want to go to church too, you know. Yeah man. This morning me and him a reason to and him a tell me say church and me a tell him say yeah man, me and him a go to church.
So you not talk about church, everything they talk about church.
Cause watch you know, I good. No, me good too, you know. But is a man like this, he believe in God, you know.
Mm.
He believe in
Well,
God.
anything you say, but make sure you come to church. Because me can't continue come in your yard, you play up in my garden and then you not do the right thing. Me a Christian, me not even should come in your yard in the first place until you do needful. I become a rate you, me come in your yard.
Rate it, man.
Me not like that. You have a next woman?
What you talk about?
You have a next woman?
No, what you talk about right now. I put that in my brain now if you go get a next woman. Cause you just accuse me of certain things.
Me
I mean, I
not
like
accuse
that.
her, I'm
No,
asking you
because
a
you see my brain
question.
now, it like is like this. It's like a computer. When you receive stuff, you have to take time for service. So you receive and you service up everything where you say. So you know if you find the right answer for you, but at the moment I'm alone, me could have pick up.
You could have
Mm-hmm.
Bulby. How much time I call her name? How many times did I call her name?
Let me can ask that.
How much answer the question?
One that day I call ball before me reach out and so me glass count.
A while ago I call her name. How
Oh,
much time I call her a while ago?
how much time you call me?
I think you say you bring a computer. Obviously that the computer they are malfunction.
Nah, malfunction man, a certain things my brain pick up on fast.
Oh.
You have to talk
But you
certain.
can pick up fast
No.
formats.
No, I know about maths. I know about maths. You
Calculation.
ask me how many times you call my name. Where was I? Right in front of where you call my name for? You saw me there. You know, just touch me so.
No, me not
You know why
need to
you
touch you.
call me name, man? Cause yo, then what say sometime though, are you now make me no want come to church because I know say I go knock me a little bit and I can't manage
You
that.
said to me not gonna get if you come at church.
No, yeah, cause that a your little
why
home
would I nag you?
happiness. No, watch out man. That a your little happiness. And watch out now. You tell us me I go forward at church, but you come like you didn't even believe in me, you know.
Alright, why me not believe in you? Last night I did fi come at church, but
I just asleep.
I got road.
Wait.
Me get good source say the day I road with friend in a drink, you know. I mean
I will
attack you
source
about
that.
that.
No,
Me
no.
not attack
Let
you
me
about
ask
that,
you
you know.
one
When
question
me
now.
dey at
So let
church,
me ask
you
you
know.
one question now.
And
So
you
you
tell me
hire
say
people
that-
to watch me.
No,
So what make them a watch my life?
because the person
No,
was
I
me
was
and you
at
talk.
and I was at my home getting ready to go to church and my eyes say sleep, so I
Me
slept.
think you did that iron.
No, I was you didn't you listening to me what I just said? I said I was getting ready. I was getting ready. It could mean anything.
It could mean anything.
Yeah.
Why? Bulby,
Hmm?
I feel like something wrong with you.
What do you mean
But
by
I
that?
say, if you don't come to church this Sunday, just know say there's a cut off between me and you. Because me now go continue with this a foolishness where you're depend. Because all the thing I want to do is smoke, drink and go
Who
party
tell you
with
that?
friends.
Who tell you
Don't
that?
worry about that. You may think you say your computer pick up anything.
Then no,
Later.
but me not tell you say me a tracker and GPS say I watch who they tell you things. I know who they tell you things. Alright, later.
Hello? Yeah, man, my brother, give me a second there, please. Give me a second. Fire! Wait. Fire, man. Fire. Yo, stop me. I tell you, me not like this something here. Me not like this in here.
Where fire there?
Me not like this in there. Mama! Oh, what kind of color this van? Oh, sir. You laugh like a joke thing. What kind of color this van, Mama?
What is wrong with you? I'm a color your problem. Oh, so you're one of them party people there.
Jaja.
Well, sorry to burst your bubble. Me not in a day something.
You can't bust this above here,
listen to me,
Mama.
Mom.
Mama. You can't bust this
You
above
can't
here.
tell me what kind of clothes to wear, and you're very out of order to see me on the road walking and go and talk about fire.
I don't out me out
In
of
the
that.
blood of Jesus
I'm
against
brawling, me
you.
brawling. Mama, if you know what you know, but take off the color there because
From
you
your
now
life.
win. You now win, Mama. Mama, you now win that the color there. And this a color you eating, you know. This a color ya.
You know,
Fire on top of fire, man.
you know what
Hey.
hurt me? You guys are so stupid to feel like party is all that. Party is not all that.
Stupid like
Because
your
you
mama.
feel
I'm
like
to the
these people
country
are
uptown,
feeling
girl,
it.
man. I'm to
When
the
these
country
people
uptown,
give you a
girl.
little $3,000, it all cost you for what? 45 minutes, not even an hour.
Mama, who tells
and
you
you come
3,000
in
me I
here
get?
talking
Who
about
tells you
party.
3,000 me I get? Girl,
Huh?
if you ever know who me there with.
That don't have
Me there with
nothing
the top,
to
the
do
top,
with
top
me.
one on the team me there with a brighter outer like
Oh.
you know about me?
Oh, so
You never hear about me?
top man.
Yes!
Oh.
So me a top girl.
And how that
So
affect
put
me?
respect for my name. Go on. Fire, man. Go on with the color. Fire.
Fire pan.
Aye! Fire, no come
Fire
near me.
pan,
No
fire
come
pan
near me.
you.
No come near me.
Father. You
No
can
come
see
near me.
somebody walking on the road and you come using a dirty mouth to disrespect
Go on up
them.
Pepto Bismol. I done
Like
this
how your
I
family.
done this under your
Let me tell you
ool.
something.
Under
You
your
see?
ool.
Just because me a Christian.
Under your
me
ool,
Bible in the
dirty.
bag,
Go on
and me
where they
put
go.
one side and dip up under your nastiness, you know. Don't bright yourself with
Where
me,
is the
lady.
one now?
You. You're very out
You
of
wanna
order.
me? Try.
Me have church later. Me can't do just
Oh, the one me dip
our
up. Try.
crisis right about
Come.
now.
Come, dip up.
I
Dip
can
up.
see that you're a little dirty
Dip
girl, you
up.
know.
You never know.
You're
Me
very
say you never
heartless.
know. You never
Huh?
know. Me say if you never know, so me dirty.
But I
You never
said
know.
it like this. Father God,
Fire, go on where you go.
Cover
Oh,
your blood,
cause a girl
because
can
you
only chat, but a
Jesus.
girl can't touch me, you know. Go on where you go, you know.
I don't want to
Go on
touch
where
you
you go, you know,
because
girl.
you
Go on
know,
where you go, you know.
have on the fire.
Me say,
Huh?
a girl can chat, but a girl could have never touch me. And a girl can always talk when they want to talk about. Long as they not touch me, we go.
And
Go on where you
remember,
go.
This apartheid is for water.
I
People
don't
like
business.
who don't bathe, who
Look
don't
at me.
crown seed.
Look at me,
You-
girl.
you need to
Look
go
for
and
me.
buy roll
Look
arm
for
and
me.
all those stuff because they're very smelling right
And
now.
your mouth wants on cheers, girl. Your mouth.
And
Right now
whenever
you
you
talk.
open up and
Right now
I
you
nearly
talk.
faint,
Your mouth
so
wants
you
on
need to go
cheers.
and wash
Your
up.
mouth wants
You're
on
very
cheers.
out of order.
All your face wants cheers, girl. Go on where you go. Not even bleach can help you. Not even disinfectant. You're bright and out and rubbish.
Crosses.
A girl can chat, but I then could touch me. That's I'm never
I
going
would
to
want
talk.
to touch somebody like you
Me
because all the
don't
diseases
talk.
that you're
Me
bringing
don't
around,
talk.
it cannot. Me don't want to come and
No,
affect
mama,
me.
no, mama. This
You
somebody that
understand
can't
me?
full up a disease.
Let me tell you
This
something.
somebody that
You
cannot
see,
full up a
you're gonna
disease.
meet the wrong person on the road.
Look
one
at me,
day.
girl. Clean. This somebody that can't full up a disease. Check. Hey,
Are you
mama.
one clean?
Mama.
Huh?
Check.
Are you
Go
one
check
clean?
yourself. You know, go check yourself. Go and go check yourself because I could have never me talk
You
about
know who else?
disease.
Who me for
I
that
could have me
talk?
talk about disease.
Who me for that talk?
I want to this girl
Eh?
and I see. Look for you see. Who no have a disease? So no big and fat. Who no have a disease?
At
You
least
see how many
we
little
smell
maga?
proper.
Me no have no disease.
At least
Who
we
no
know
have a
how
disease?
to
Who no
carry
walk with disease?
yourself.
Girl, go on before you make your spit touch me and the disease reach for me. Go on.
Crosses.
Go on. I want to see myself. I must see that junker. I know over here, so I must see. Why? Fire, nastiness, girl. You could have chat, but a girl could have never
Public
touched me.
report, yeah.
I
It's another one for the people. I mean, you tell us, say, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice, baby. You.
What up? You want me general? Yeah, I'm a god man. Yeah, one father. What one? Long time I no see man like you. Yeah, G, you know say pay things. Onto your phone, you know, so I kind of link up on the bird and now get choked. You know, saying in real life, though, I know me a call that the bird they mash up a long time.
Alright,
Everything
signal down.
Wreck.
That a code man,
Correct.
but you are going on now.
Mm.
I link me come link you still now. Cause you know. You know say thing are going right now.
So yeah, it's a
You see me?
badness.
Well, I'm not really badness yet, you know. Politics are now, you know. So I don't know what you want to do for me still right now. My line up all I G them, all I gangster them, the whole I warrior them, all I stepper them, and get them active. You see me? That means if I say the signal up. That more I do for me, killer. You see me?
I'm saying in real life, though, father, I mean, want to in a politics business, though. In real life.
Alright, you are going on my father, I understand what you are saying, you know.
Mm.
But remember, sir, never we come set this, you know.
Mm.
The band come see it and it's a cause. So we not really do badness. We just have a G them up, the gangster them up. That means say anything we prepare field. And I can't believe so dog a chicken out from like I get soft and I think
No, man, nothing like that, my father, man, nothing like that. But you know, this is the sudden sub. You just there go and see if I can lock you on one place, man. You just sudden, so I mean, you from the.
You see enemy, my friend. Enemy just come sudden. Violence just come sudden. You see me? So right now I link you, I feel say you're supposed to active. So when you say you're active, are you not active?
I make a call, my father.
Alright, do you right thing, you know. You see me? And one more thing, bad dog. Get a phone, me G.
Yeah, man. What's
Nigga
up, man?
like you're supposed to have a phone on your foot. You see me?
Yeah, I do you right.
A room, one in a head, nothing in a chamber. You
Believe me,
know? Room.
General. Believe. Yo, I free now bad rats. No one say, I want one bad mission for me to go and do up. I want one bad word, you know? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Look more man. Yeah, just link up. Alright.
Counselor! Father!
Okay.
I pray, mama.
There,
There, man, head up on. Look nice, though.
yeah. Thanks.
So, no disrespect, how you're forward from?
Excuse me?
I said, no disrespect, how you're forward from?
Oh, I'm just doing a take a walk.
Or you take a walk? Stretch your feet, man, something.
Yeah. I can't stay in a house every day.
You're smart. Your dress look nice, too, man.
Thanks.
Like you're in a green thing.
Oh no, I'm not into that.
What do you mean you're in the green thing? Remember, say you're general, your father, a big politician, you know. And then man run both here, you know.
And so what if my father that? Not because my father that no means me go walk in on my father's footstep. I have my own footstep to walk in.
You have a point still, you know, but I still have to say it again, although you tell me, say, you're not a politician. Remember, your dress still look nice on you. So regardless if you don't like what I say, still look nice.
Thank you, but I'm a father by dress, and because I'm a father by dress, I have to wear it. You understand? So, I'm not in a politician thing. I'm a Christian.
But I like how you please the father. But anyhow, as I talk about your father, I generally not go link, you know. Big man, you know. What him there?
Oh, there, in Grandpa, some campaign thing back up the line.
No.
Him and some people.
What you said? Your father not there and gone for some campaign thing up the line?
Yes, it was, let me tell you, he never, like, he just get a call and he just have to rush out same time. So he never planting. So most of the people them down here not gone with him.
I understand about the rest of the people I'm not gone with him.
Yeah.
But what about me when right hand? Or if you leave your right hand?
I understand that, but it was just a phone call. I'm sorry about
Anyhow, big up yourself, man. Let me say you look nice and your dress same here.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Me link your father, man. Just, if you see him, tell him to pull through here.
Yeah, man.
Respect
no
here.
Bye.
Father, my general, Mr. Counselor. Go on. There, man. Coloring book, you come like you know, remember, you know, see my number?
No, man, I know say you, man, but I know say the call me, man, something you need, you know. So, what's the problem?
Well, you're right. That's why you're counselor, because you're smart. Or something me need, but I'm just make you know, say, yo, at that time, you know, the time of the year. So you me not link, you know.
Well, you can't check me today, you know, because I'm in St. Elizabeth.
As I talk about St. Elizabeth, you're up there with the left hand down, and your right hand down, you so. So remember, say you pick me out of one group with that your foot. in any situation, any difficult. So I don't know why you left one up best on your right hand and so. Why me there so? Cause me just come from your yard.
No, listen, you have to take care of things down there while I'm up here.
But father, I try to make you know say you will show me and tell me say you jump out and you know. But anyhow, me understand. So what you say now? What you say I go on for the collection now? Cause I time my ear now, you know.
Well, me I try to see if we can win a seat, you know, so I need to come up with some new method.
Yeah, try to see if you go win a seat. I not try if you try, you go win a seat there. So you see people them want push and help you to win a seat there. Make some collection reach them in the church or some offering my father. When me link you?
Well, I will tell her when they can link me, but you know, that's take time with the tithes and the money. We can't just issue it out so like that.
Alright, you want to go on? Just show me. Yeah, give me a shot here. Now let me shout you back, please.
Alright, when we come away, I shout.
Yeah, and one more thing. Just remember the people that will help you to reach where you reach here.
Oh man, them good, man, them good.
Make sure. Big up yourself, Mr. Counselor.
Alright.
What dog? Show!
Watch him, man.
Show! Jesus Christ, my daddy, man. Head up on.
They are cool up, man.
Forward, yes or no?
No, you don't know. Do one dog, carry a boot and so me have to do this easier person a little bit.
Dog, take out your shoes.
Yeah, man, and it's like in the shoes and playing back up.
Hello, my name T-Dog, I say I'm not like, you know dog, you know.
Tell her, brother.
So head up on.
Jesus Christ.
Georgia, you.
Good
Link
to
me
see
come
you.
link here now. Time, you know.
What kind of time now? Jesus Christ, man.
Time, my father. What you mean take time to? What you mean?
Me just remember. You remember one girl when we meet at one bar? Good look a while now. One Indian girl and thing showing slim and yeah. Me and she kind of depend on a certain thing, but
So you don't know, so you show.
easy no man to see it. She know man, she know. You answer me and say, but everything good. So what going differently?
Well, you know, so them there still big man thing. I count, so I just come off my phone with them and say me I come link you. In a real life, cause big man thing, you come like a counselor, grow on me, you know.
No, man, that's the same say sometimes, man. I go to the money to reach certain weight or complete with him plans.
You know me not like when people grow on me, because sometimes I go to school, I sit down at the back, and sometimes I sit down at the front. So when people are growing me I go remember say me in the back of the class.
Yeah, true.
So I don't really want to pray that, because I have to tell him, say, yo, make sure, say, which part you there, remember the people them, will put you there. Remember, say, me and you one of the strong-hearted man, you put him there, say, you know, bro.
I will talk, man.
So I don't like. But anyhow, move, you know,
No, you can't move right now. I have to just organize certain things first. But give me some time, man. Because, you know, I know say right now, when you come check me, everything legit on certain levels, you know what I mean? But I'm not really ready yet mentally, and I'm going to organize everything with you know what I mean? So if I talk about certain things and set it first before I can say ropes, you know? But, you know, it's all good, man. So only thing I can guarantee you now is that continue to link up a counselor so we can actually know when to, you know what I mean, step certain way. Because, you know, it depends on campaigning time ready, man. So
all the counselor tell me, say, way up so him there. So me I'll ask him, say, oh, your hopes up. And your left hand up there, on your right hand there, so.
Campaign?
And no shout me. For me, shout you. What kind of style that? You will tell me, say, me if you take care upon the ground. You man, you let me know, say, you in my push. I am data, me go link. I'm a tough, can even link, me go link in data. Him, me go link and see in data.
Oh.
You know, me not do mix up. I fix up, me do.
Yeah.
But me see him data and I want a nice green dress and me I say, oh, I go on, mama. Mama say, man, of politics.
That's the one that I want Christian one. I say she kind of always fully and things.
I'm a Christian.
I be a church, church you go. Because, you know, even one time, me and I pray certain things, you know. Boy, because, you know, say, everything went kind of set away, so me have to ease off. Cause I'm good looking girl, not you? Sexy and round and rosy and sitting there.
You can't believe you're not Christian. Big. Put away the... You know what I say? It come like say. You know, say I'm really mad for you.
Come on.
What is someone that in me yard with green? My friend come out and go out of me yard with... This is my name so with green.
Yo.
Easy what? What me feel easy with?
I drink again. I drink your water, I go drink.
You ever see me a drink easy with what?
Everything good, man. Everything. Respect
yourself.
Yo, miss out.
Yo, me I call a man there.
Who that?
The
pastor?
Yeah.
Alright, yo.
Yeah.
Waiter, respect yourself.
Fire, come out of me yard.
I'm not getting embarrassed with something.
Listen to me. Don't fling off me hand.
When me fling off your hand?
You're the kid.
Where you come from? And I come go on my brushing that in our for where you come from, you know? Eh? You be still make it color thing and get to your head again.
So who business if far you come from, eh? I could have choke my response. You know, say no sense. Me tell us, say me no want no leave.
Understand where you're going.
Let me go. Come like say nonsense. Let me go.
When me can't do this?
Idiot.
When me idiot? Where you come from, eh? I want not no work out.
Why you telling man to come in me here with the green pack? Eh?
Babe, I'm a friend, it no matter if...
Me not give a flying shit if I have friend. We are time to come in with the green pack. You know, say nonsense. You see from when you don't have no sense. I might take your charger and...
I'm gonna stay, son. Yo, please, I'm relax, watch out. Jump like a bat.
So you beat me up now. You see me go
Me?
tell the people them see you lick me, you know what you see? I go tell the people them see you lick me. I'm serious.
What do you mean say you tell
I go tell the people them say you see what you do
yeah, you're drunk or something.
You see what you do
What me do?
Say more, that's my no rum.
I'll be a rum for your mouth.
It's not no rum.
Where you come from? I question me ask, where you come from?
I come from a road. And get who me see.
Who?
Matter of fact, guess who passed me? Your friend when he America passed me. I'm a burn some fire upon her, go and burn some fire upon her come. This is me not like,
Calm. Relax.
Crosses!
Jesus.
Lord, the big greenness alone. Lord, the greenness them alone. And we don't talk.
Alright, just ease. Just relax, someone.
Excuse.
What mean excuse? Where you go?
Excuse out of my side.
What mean out your side?
You see, you don't love me, you know, you don't love me. When you say me, you love me, you would have gone on the gang and pick a green side. You don't love me, I'm not left me, I'm back on my mama yard.
No, relax.
Stop, let me go.
Just relax. Calm down. Cover them some food. Let's cook them some food now.
You don't love me. Can't imagine me there and say, you really gonna go and pick a green side.
No.
Don't left.
No, relax. You're right, eat some food now. But that don't even have a boot to put on. You burn me boot, you burn me green boot. Me and brushing come every time say a dog, take away boot down and you burn up it.
If you love me, walk barefoot.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Public report, yeah. It's another one for the people. I mean, you tell us, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange, that's my choice. Baby, you. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude?
One. I was messed up. I must be dead jumped up. I know over yourself. I must be
Crazy. What? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange, that's my choice. Baby, you. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude? Anything what you say still, but me I choose what me choose.
one.
What you mean, something to go on? I can't take the problem, you know. Yeah.